So this is the recap for live stream 312. A bit late in doing the recap. Should have been done last Friday, but here we are. So let's have a look what I did in terms of trading. So
this is a recap for live stream 313, I believe. And today we've had a somewhat more successful day
so
than
let's
we've had
have
in the
a
past.
look here.
We've narrowed down our strategies down to
And
only
so
two.
We had the
moment.
market
So let's talk about the trades.
rally into
We'll
the
have a look
New
at
York
gold
Open.
first. And
After which we
let's
saw a bit of
see.
selling here. Prices came down.
Do I
I
have...
went long, looking for price to head towards the highs. Price turned around.
Okay, so
It's got stopped out there.
over on gold,
Seems like I went short. I was looking for a bigger move.
you can see
Price
here,
turned around.
the first trade I made
Did not
was
work itself out.
I made an accidental trade to the long
And
side.
as you can see,
got
I
out
won't go
of
through
it
all the trades because
for
we'll
a
be here all
profit,
day.
then
Because I
went
did take
short
quite a few
because
trades.
That was a
So I
setup.
took quite a few trades
I
through
noticed
here,
this bull flag pretty
all
much
the
been
way through the
building here.
afternoon during lunchtime.
So there's this
As the
trade
market
right
chopped
here.
around a bit.
And
I was taking trades all the way through here,
because it didn't
getting
work
stopped
out.
out, accumulating losses.
Didn't work out, so
More
went
trading
short,
throughout
bull
lunch.
flag came up, got stopped out.
Eventually,
After that,
actually, I continued to
had
trade. Actually,
a
yeah, continued to trade. As you can
another
see by
short
these
trade here.
executions, a lot of executions through
And
here.
price came up,
Started increasing
was
the amount
stopped
of
out.
contracts I was trading.
over there as well.
Even more executions. That's
Went
the reason why
short,
I'm not going
price
to
turned
recap
around,
everything
was
because there's
stopped
trade
out
so
for a
much.
loss. Out of
Eventually,
revenge, went short. Thought
think I
price
went
could come
short
down
here.
and clear the lows.
I was looking for a
Head
move
down and retest this 80,
all the way down
86.8. Didn't quite do that, so
600s.
price came up, was
Thought
stopped out.
prices could break through
Eventually
the lows
went short again.
and head even lower, but prices
Through
stalled.
here.
Continued to be in a bit of a range,
Is that
so
right?
I became aggressive
Think
with
it
my
was.
stop, trailed it down,
Went short
was
again.
eventually stopped out, but
Price
that was
came up.
somewhat
was
of a
eventually
positive
stopped out
because
again,
it
so
offset some of the losses, so it was still a
Things
losing
were not
day,
going well at this point, and I
but
was
it
very
did offset
frustrated
some of
as
the
the
losses.
gold market
On
continued to
Friday,
grind
over on
to the
gold.
upside.
Let's go see
After
where
which,
gold was on
continued to trade,
Friday.
of course. Went short
See what the
here.
executions were.
Price
I stopped
eventually
trading
came
gold
down
earlier
and finally hit
because
target. So
on
the accuracy
Friday
was just
because
not great on gold today.
the volume
Went
and the
short a
range
couple of
fell
times.
off.
The
So on
market
gold,
was.
we
The
saw
market is still.
selling
It's up
at the end of
slightly,
the
but
European session, pretty
we
much
saw
near
in
the
the
start of the
overnight.
US session here, around about 9
we had
a.m.
selling
Eastern.
through Asia and Europe.
Started to
Had
see
a gap
rallying
up,
in gold.
sold
Price
off.
came up, consolidated,
Brief
went
rally
short,
before
thought
the
we
New
could see
York
that
Open.
continuation to the
Around
downside.
about 7 or so.
I think I
Had
actually
more
hit
selling,
target
had a
there.
rally into
May
New
have hit
York.
target there.
Thought we could see more selling to the downside.
Went short again.
Went short a
added
couple
to
of
the
times.
position.
The market just continued
Managed
to
to
the
take some
upside.
profit. Seems like I went short
And this
again.
short here
Eventually took
worked
that
out.
off for a loss through there.
Over on
And
ES,
that was pretty
decided
much it.
to
I
add
didn't
ES
like
to
the
the
price
trading
action through
today.
here. Price action
Let's
just seemed
get
very
the
slow and
dynamic.
choppy. And that was it. Most of the damage on the account was done on
I
NQ.
believe that's it. There's only a
And if we have a look at the
should only be a couple of trades on
trade
ES.
performance back from the 20th.
So this is a
Okay,
recap for live stream
over
here on ES.
20th.
13, I believe. Went short. Price
And
turned around
today,
and stopped
so
out for
we've
about
had
2
a
losses.
somewhat
More successful. Went short again.
We started
Added to the
around
position right there. Down short. Added to the
610,
position. Strategies.
940
Price was coming down. Only 2 prices. Eventually, the prices went down. Hit
610,
target. So let's talk
943,
about place depending
and
order.
eventually,
We'll have a look
after
at
all
exit
these
first.
trades,
Price
you
didn't
see
quite come there before going to
quite a
the
few
downside.
losses
Now the
here,
reason I
reduced
placed the
size
penny order
somewhat.
there was because I
started
was
trading
having a
less
trade, similar
contracts,
trade over on
but
NQ. That didn't
scaling
hit
into the
target, so I thought,
positions.
well, if this is going to pull
So I
back,
took quite a few trades
hopefully
over on
over on
NQ.
gold, and then this comes back down
Eventually,
to the original target. You can see here
could
somewhat
get there.
mitigate some of the early losses.
The first
I was
trade I
suffering
made
on
was
gold to,
so
made an accidental trade. The
943,
price sold off, came down to this level,
eventually
for a profit, then went
call
short
it
to
a day.
5. That was a setup.
The account
Over
I
here,
noticed
this bull a few mistakes that were made building here. These were pretty much
5,
so it was this trade
47
right here. Switching between
8,
gold and text red because it didn't work out.
That's
You can
pretty
see it didn't
counts.
work out. So
And
I
that
went short,
resulted
yes,
in
so went
flat
long,
loss
got stopped out. I was trying to get into the short
6-3
over after that.
minus 63107.
A
That's pretty much
actually
what I
exited
lost
this position
on
by
Friday.
mistake. Short
So
trade here, long
wasn't
again.
great.
And
Part of the
price came
trading
up,
was actually
was
trading.
stopped out. That caused some issues as
Started
well. So
using the
eventually went
parabolic-
long as well.
Parabolic
Went long,
SAR
took it off
over
there,
on
went
NQ.
long short again. So
price
it's
turned
basically
around,
taking those trades
was
as the
over.
market started to
Trying
take
to
around a
sold.
bit.
Our original
Revenge
setup
price.
here went short to go long, especially after
So it
this
wasn't
price
great.
come down and
What I
clear the
decided
low.
to do was simplify
those
things
charts that
going
we had
into
86.8.
day, which
We
would be
had
23rd
didn't quite
on
leave that,
Friday.
sitting around 28.50.
And the goal
original
was
target
to
on
get
this
on
trade
the
was
US
stopped out.
the
Eventually,
630s
went short again. Took profits. It's all about
One of
getting
them
back in as
is
prices
a
pulled back.
reversion
Decided
strategy,
against it
and the
and decided
other
to end
is
the
more
trading
support
on
and
the day.
resistance.
We can see
And
here.
see how that goes.
Price would
We'll
have pulled
see
back down
changes
to this level.
I
Went short
propose
again.
because
Would have
I
provided
think
another opportunity.
Legal
Price came
minus
up.
63
Was
was
not
actually
against the original
again.
stop.
Despite being an
And
illusion,
of
it
course
was a
would
good
have hit the
thing
original
because
things were
the
not
target
going
would
well
have
at
been
this
very
point, and I
large.
was very
There were a
frustrated
few
as
one
the
point
two
was
of you
down
taking
quite a
this
fair
trade.
bit
So
before
there were a few
trade
nice
grind
grind
to
here.
the
Took
upside
profits
on
at view up
NQ
rather
here.
than 30.
After
So
which,
27
continued to trade, of course.
Those were the
All the way
trades
down
on
to
here. Yes, price eventually
around
came
about
down. So we had
820s or
this
so.
loser
Finally
over
hit
target.
here.
So
Was
the
trading
accuracy
water
was just not great due to
different
execution
day.
errors. Went short a
But
couple
with
of
that
times.
said,
Of
I'll
course,
make
this
the
one
changes.
was the market
And
was
we'll see what the market brings.
is still over on
Thanks for watching.
NQ.
Good luck
It's
trading.
up slightly,
Have a good
but
day.